Today I'm going to show you how you can free space your storage. Sometimes this happen on Android and even on iPhones, but today we are going to discuss on Android issue. So now my storage is insufficient, so I'm going to show you how you can free space your storage. So first of all, you have to let's go to settings, look for app management, look for app settings. Yeah, this is what happens. Now as you can see, we are going to look the most used app, the app that has a high storage. So we are going to go through these apps and look for that one app, like this one, CapCut used 2 GB. We're going to go to CapCut and go to storage and cache, and we clean everything there, and we go back and look for another app that is using more storage. Excuse me. Let's go through all of them. Let's see, where is it? Another one. There's another one. Yes, TikTok has 1.11. Let's go to storage and cache and clean that and go back. Let's go back to look for another app that is using more storage. So as you can see, we have something that is not consuming our storage. So let's go back again, go back to the home and go to settings and see the storage. Now we have 3 GB available, so we need more storage. Let's go back again, go to file, let's go to file again, here, and go to trash and clean everything here. Let's go back to the, let's see what's consuming more. We have some videos here we don't even want, so we're going to select all and choose those videos that we need the most and leave them. Yeah, and all, yes, you're going to leave all this and delete all that we don't want. Yes, let's see, yeah, you're going to delete all of this. Sometimes when you delete some files or videos or music, they go to trash. You have to go back to trash and clean your trash. Yeah, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. If this video is helpful, you can comment below and tell us what to do, or suggest what we can do. Sorry, I don't know what happened. So let's go to storage, clean, delete. Let's go back and see. Now we have 6 GB available. So good luck. Let's go to another phone and see if we can do this on the other phone. You're going to come here on storage, excuse me, and go here, go to settings, look for show hidden files, and turn it on, and go back, go to file again, go to browser, go to internal storage, go to photo, and look for thumbnail, the folder called thumbnail, and delete everything that is in that folder. Move to trash, move to trash. It can be moved. So they can be moved. Let's go here.